Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for week 2 of FYE. I hope week 1 went well for you, and I hope that we'll continue to build on good momentum through week 2. Alright, so what do we have in store this week? The first thing you always want to do is check out the week 2 overview. It talks about our goals for the week, gives you some hints and reminders, and also tells you all the things that you need to accomplish. Just going through the module, I want to explain some of the things in this week's module. There is a page here where we can meet our class advisor. We will be working with her throughout the semester, so check that out. You have your readings and your reading quiz. You have your mindful moment reflection, a discussion, and then you have 2 assignments here to complete by Saturday. This assignment down here is extra credit. It's not due until April 21st, but I recommend doing it sooner than later if you'd like to get those extra credit points to serve you down the line. Alright, so talking through some changes this week from last week. Last week was a little bit short because we started on Tuesday, so this week we're going to have a full week, Sunday through Saturday. Throughout the week you'll have deadlines, and you'll see that there's a pattern that will emerge for the rest of the semester. Your reading quiz will always be due by Tuesday night. That's so you read the material and you're ready to do the assignments based on that material throughout the week. The mindful moment will be on Wednesday night. The discussion, your first post, is due by Thursday. Your peer posts by Saturday. And then these 2 assignments will be due by Saturday. Every week will have the same pattern. If you don't have a lot of time to do your work during the week, you should plan ahead to start some of these assignments on Sunday so that you can do some of them over the weekend. Alright, one more thing I want to point out to you, and I've gone over this in the overview. There is a time management guide here that I've made specifically for this class that might help you to organize your time. Another thing is, for the campus treasure hunt assignment this week, you're required to visit a professor's office hours. Okay, so you have to see someone. You can't just email them. You have to actually meet with someone. Now, if you can get to campus, that's great. You can come to my office hours, or you can come to another professor's office hours. If you cannot come to campus, I am holding online office hours this week too. All you have to do is click on conferences here, and you'll see the conference pop up, and you can click join. I can help you from there once you get in the conference. We have the ability to see each other through video, talk, and also type to each other through instant messaging. So if you have a video, a webcam, or a microphone built in or external, make sure you have those ready to go. Alright, so here are my in-person office hours, here are my online office hours. What if these don't work for you? No problem. At the beginning of the week, send me an email. Let me know when you're available for an appointment and whether you'd like to meet in person or online, and we'll find a time that works for both of us. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a really great week.